Hi, in this video, we're going to go over Oceans Digital Agency software platform. It's a built-in CRM, lead nurturing. I'll go over all the features with you. I'm going to start by playing this video here real quick.
The playbook for growing a local business online is simple. Capture new leads, conversationally convert those leads into sales, turn those customers into positive reviews, and then reactivate those customers into repeat buyers. And that's exactly what our platform does. In order to consistently generate new leads, you first need to be found. The quickest way to get search engines like Google to put your business at the top of search results is by having a steady flow of positive reviews. With our platform, you can show up in search and stand apart from your local competition by easily collecting new customer reviews through text. But getting found is only the beginning. Most consumers choose the first business that responds to them. So unless you start conversations with potential customers almost instantly, they'll go somewhere else. That's why we make starting conversations with website visitors as easy as clicking a button, connecting you instantly through text message so the conversation doesn't end when they leave your website. And we bring all your leads, no matter where they come from, into a single conversation stream that supports text, email, video messaging, Google Business chats, and even Facebook and Instagram DMs. So you can respond faster and more efficiently than ever. When it comes to turning all those conversations into customers, we make collecting payments just another convenient part of the combo. So you get paid faster no matter how they prefer to pay. Next, you'll want to turn your new customers into happy reviews, which is a snap with our new review request quick actions. The more conversations and customers you generate, the easier it becomes to drive repeat business. We make reactivating contacts into customers as easy as, yup, you guessed it, the push of a button. With bulk actions, you can send out text and email campaigns to generate new sales whenever you have a new update, promotion, or story to tell. We make modern online marketing simple. Let's start growing your business today.
So that there is a great overview of what our platform does. The dashboards that were in that video are the actual dashboards that you would see in the system if you would get on our system with us. So what the system does is it helps you capture your leads via landing pages, surveys, forms, email campaigns, and so much more. And then it takes those leads and it nurtures them. So it'll automatically respond to your leads via voicemail, email, SMS, Facebook Messenger, Instagram. It takes all those platforms and allows you to utilize that in the system. And it helps you close them. We have built-in things for collecting payments, scheduling appointments, tracking your analytics, and so forth. So a lot of people have a lot of different softwares and they got to intertwine them to make them all work. Ours takes the place of all these platforms here. So all the platforms you see on the screen, ours do. So instead of paying all these monthly fees that could total over $1,500, ours is a lot less and it does everything these platforms do and more. So as you see here, step one, capturing your leads. So it's a full suite platform for all businesses. And there's a website builder in there. There's just a regular page builder in there for building funnels and landing pages. And we teach you how to do that. Or we could do it for you, but there is an additional cost to that. This makes it that it's a lot more cost effective for you. And honestly, once you get in there and play around with it, you'll see how easy it is to actually go in and do it. You can schedule appointments online. And as I said before about the surveys and forms, nurturing your leads. I mean, that is the backbone of this software is nurturing those leads and helping you take those leads and making them customers of yours. So you can create multiple channel campaigns. There's two-way communications on any device. There's a mobile app as well. It will help you close the deals. It'll manage your workflow, your pipeline. It helps collect payments and all the analytics. They're all in one place. So, and you can connect all these to that platform. So they all work in there with that. Um, we'll go over some more of the features. Let's see here. You have a 24 AI assistant. It's a chatbot that we can actually embed in your website that you currently have, or if we build you a website, or if you build one within the system, which there is templates in there. There's over 100 different templates in there for different industries. The AI chatbot can be embedded in the new one or an existing website. We have text message and email automation, and it's all in one center. So all your Facebook, your Google My Business, uh, Instagram, any of your text messages you're currently getting, any emails you sent out, will all go into this one little hub. And you can jump on there, look at it. You don't have to look through your inbox trying to find an email because you just go into your platform, click on the customer, and it's right there. Here's some workflows which we can get into and show you how that you get a text message, it automatically responds, and then it starts gathering that information. It takes that information and puts it into the CRM in your customer's contact information or potential prospect at that as well. And here's some more on the two-way texting messaging. And you can receive and send emails. It integrates with your social media too, which that's a whole nother video that we could do to talk about uh, scheduling your social media post and how you can do it. I mean, I literally do all my Facebook posts in about 2 hours for 3 months at a time and just schedules them out. You don't have to worry about it. You get real-time return on investment tracking. So if you're running Google ads or Facebook ads, all that information, all that data comes into this software from your whatever platform you're using for your ads, and it'll pull it in, and you can see where your clients are coming from. Okay, if I'm spending $400 or $500 a month on Google ads, and I'm only having two calling from those Google ads, is that a good return on investment? So you can actually track it a lot better. It is very time saving as far as the AI chatbot will actually book appointments for you. So you just keep your calendar up to date. Customer calls in or text messages in. Hey, I'd like to schedule an appointment. It'll schedule an appointment so you can go out and look at a job and so forth. And it does follow up. And this is a big one as well, reputation management. So in our industries, it's so hard getting Google reviews. And I think that's in any industry at all. People don't want to take the 30 seconds to log into Google and do a review and send it out. So with our platform, you get a link and it'll email it directly to your customer or SMS text, and it'll keep sending it to them every 3 days until they either do the review or opt out of it. If they do the review, it'll send it back to you into your platform that the review's done. AI kicks in and automatically replies to that review for you. So you don't have to take the time and respond to it. And the nice thing is you can have it that it writes anything. You could change it weekly. That way they're not all the same. And it makes everything flow really nice, and you get better Google ranking by responding to your reviews. So that is a basic overview. I'd love to jump on a call with you just to go over it. Anybody that jumps on a call with me off of this video, I am going to give them a free web chat widget that will go on your website and it'll help you close some leads. Normally, that is a $79 a month charge by itself. But anybody that books an appointment with me, whether you buy any other services or not, we will put you in a chat widget into your existing website. Thank you. And I hope everybody has a great day. And I look forward to talking to you soon.